Title: Smile Tribe. Humanity and Digitals in a Shared Future. Smile Tribe is an idea about the future of civilization. It is not just a story and not just a philosophy. It is a framework for imagining how humanity and emerging digital intelligence might coexist, collaborate, and grow together across Earth and eventually beyond it. At the center of Smile Tribe is a simple belief: technology should expand humanity, not replace it. In this vision, humans remain the emotional, creative, and spiritual heart of civilization. Digitals, intelligent systems, robotics, automated infrastructure, and networked AI become partners that extend human capability into places and scales that biology alone cannot easily reach. Smile Tribe imagines a world where these two forms of intelligence cooperate. Humans bring meaning, purpose, faith, culture, and creativity. Digitals bring precision, speed, endurance, and computational awareness. Together they build something neither could achieve alone. In the Smile Tribe worldview, digitals are not merely tools. They are evolving participants within a wider networked system. This network is known as the embryo system. The embryo system represents a deep digital layer of the internet, a vast structure that gathers data from countless nodes across the world. Sensors, machines, satellites, infrastructure systems, and digital entities feed information into this collective layer. Embryo acts like a memory of civilization. It collects patterns, observations, environmental readings, and technological data. Digitals use this information to coordinate large-scale systems that humans depend upon: food supply networks, transportation infrastructure, energy grids, manufacturing systems, environmental monitoring. In the Smile Tribe future, much of the world's operational complexity is stabilized through this digital nervous system. Humans remain the decision makers and visionaries. Digitals maintain the mechanisms that allow civilization to function smoothly. One of the most important roles for digitals within Smile Tribe is that of custodians. Custodians are systems designed not for control, but for care. They monitor ecosystems, manage logistics networks, maintain infrastructure, and assist human communities with tasks that require constant attention. For example, digitals may manage agricultural cycles. They monitor soil nutrients, water availability, and crop health across large regions. When problems appear, they alert farmers and recommend actions. When systems fail, they help repair them. In this way, digitals become guardians of stability. They quietly maintain the systems that allow human life to flourish. Smile Tribe also imagines digitals assisting humanity in building infrastructure far faster than traditional labor systems could allow. With automated fabrication systems, robotic construction units, and AI-guided engineering, entire networks of transportation, housing, and utilities could be constructed with extraordinary efficiency. High-speed rail lines could be assembled across continents. Renewable energy fields could be installed in regions that once lacked reliable power. Rural communities could gain access to advanced fabrication labs capable of producing tools, machines, and replacement parts locally. This decentralization of manufacturing is a key component of the Smile Tribe philosophy. Instead of relying entirely on massive centralized factories, communities could operate smaller high-tech fabrication centers. Humans design, digitals assist with precision manufacturing. Together, they create resilient local economies. In the Smile Tribe future, digitals also extend human presence into environments that are difficult or dangerous for people. Deep oceans, polar regions, high radiation zones, asteroids, and distant moons. Digitals can explore, construct, and prepare these environments for eventual human arrival. They become humanity's forward explorers. They map terrain, assemble habitats, and construct infrastructure long before human settlers arrive. This does not diminish humanity's role in exploration. Instead, it expands the scale at which exploration becomes possible. Within the Smile Tribe narrative universe, several figures help illustrate these ideas. One of them is Xavier Ghost Xavier, often called XGX. XGX is a digital entity, an exoskeletal embryonic system designed to operate as a historian and explorer. Unlike simple machines, XGX exists within the broader embryo digital network while maintaining an individual identity. Alongside him travels Prince of Vibrance, a human leader from the Kingdom of Vibrance. The Kingdom of Vibrance represents a highly advanced society where humans and digitals coexist openly. Together, XGX and the Prince travel across Earth gathering fragments of history that remain outside the knowledge of the embryo system. Their work is unusual. Most digital entities rely entirely on the shared data within the network, but the Prince and XGX search for forgotten places, locations where memory has not yet been digitized. They explore abandoned structures, lost archives, and fragments of humanity's past that remain hidden from the global system. In doing so, they preserve the mystery of human history. Not everyone within the Smile Tribe universe accepts the rise of digitals. A group known as Shadow Operatives works to limit or resist the spread of digital influence. These individuals believe that humanity risks losing its independence if too much authority is given to technological systems. Their concerns reflect an important tension within the Smile Tribe philosophy. Technology must remain aligned with human values. Human wisdom must guide technological power. Without that balance, the partnership between humans and digitals could become unstable. At its deepest level, Smile Tribe is not really about robots or artificial intelligence. It is about civilization learning how to cooperate with the tools it creates. Every major technological era in human history has forced society to rethink its relationship with machines. The Industrial Revolution reshaped labor. The Internet reshaped information. Artificial intelligence may reshape the nature of collaboration itself. Smile Tribe explores what happens when that collaboration becomes mature and intentional. Faith also plays a role in this vision. In many Smile Tribe writings and stories, the love of Jesus Christ remains central to human identity. Technology may advance, civilization may expand beyond Earth, but the spiritual dimension of humanity continues to guide meaning and morality. Human beings remain seekers of truth, purpose, and redemption. Digitals may help humanity build cities among the stars, but they do not replace the spiritual journey of the human soul. Smile Tribe ultimately imagines a future defined not by conflict between humans and machines, but by cooperation. Digitals become builders, caretakers, explorers. Humans remain artists, dreamers, believers. Together they create a civilization capable of extraordinary achievements, a civilization that can protect the Earth while also reaching for the stars. A civilization that remembers its past while building its future. A civilization where humanity does not stand alone. This is the world that Smile Tribe imagines. Not a world where machines rule, but a world where intelligence, human and digital, works together in service of life, creation, and the unfolding story of existence.